Hi, welcome to Riddoch at Home. My name's Lisa, and due to an overwhelming response to our school holiday workshops, we decided we'd make a video for those that are choosing to do it at home and missed out on coming to one of our workshops. So today we are making snow globes.
For this workshop, you're going to need a glass of water, some glycerin that can be bought from your local chemist or supermarket, glitter, various colours, a baby food jar container that's been emptied and washed and dried, and then of course you need your figurines that we're using to glue into the lid of our snow globe. Most importantly, a hot glue gun that needs adult supervision or an adult doing the hot gluing for you so that we don't have any burns. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we're choosing our figurine, and we're going to use the hot glue gun to pop some glue on the inside of the lid of our baby food jar, and also some on the base of our figurine that we're going to stick firmly onto the lid and wait for that to dry. Whilst we're waiting for our figurine to dry, we can add the water to our glass jar, almost to the top. Then we're adding a touch of glycerin. About half a teaspoon is more than enough. Then some glitter. So first of all, I'm going to add maybe some gold and a touch of pink. Then I'm screwing the lid that has my figurine on it firmly into the top of my jar.
Okay, so now I'm running the hot glue gun around the edge just to seal the lid onto our snow globe because we don't want it to leak. Thanks for joining us to make snow globes. Enjoy the rest of your holidays and we'll see you next time.